Hello, I will be showing you how to rickroll with a bit of programming knowledge, or without, doesn't matter. You're just going to be copy pasting. So first, let's just make a new JavaScript file. So we can just write server, you can call it anything really, but just make sure it has the file extension of .js, or else it will not work. Open it in whatever code editor you have, then you can paste this in. It's just import libraries, make a server, make it a video, read the file, and respond with the video, and listen on port 81. Now you can really use any port here. I'd recommend using port 80, because that's what you usually use for web hosting, but my port 80 is already in use, so I'm going to be using port 81. And you can run this, see if it works. Make sure you're using node.js. So there's no errors, but we want to see if it's actually responding with rickroll. Just head to CMD, type in ipconfig, and then find where it says IPv4 address, and then right across there, you'll have a number like that looks something like this. Copy that, put into your browser with a colon, and then the port that you used. If it is not working for you, firewall is probably blocking incoming requests to your computer. So what you need to do is head to your Windows firewall and select Windows Defender Firewall. Then go to Advanced Settings, Inbound Rules. Then you can add a new rule with the port. Whatever port you use, I use 81. Allow the connection. Select all of those. And then .rickroll server, you can call it anything. I already have my rule installed, so I'm just going to hit cancel. And do the same thing for outbound rule. So port, TCP 81. Allow the connection, all, and then same name. And then you can head back to your browser, try it again. So that works. Our server is responding with the video. But the problem is, people that are not on your local area network are not going to be able to access it. So what you need to do is you're going to need to forward your port. So head to your router. You can get there by, once again, using the ipconfig, then going to default gateway, and pasting in this number. Most of the time you won't have this number here, but for me it's down here. And then put that in. You're going to need to navigate to the settings tab. For me, I had to go to advanced router, and then you're going to find a forwarding or port forwarding tab. Click it. You're going to want to add an IPv4 rule. Now I already have one, but I'm going to add it again. So for your local IP address, go back to ipconfig, go to IPv4 address, and copy this number in. Start port, whatever port you used, I'm using 81. And then external 0.0.0.0, start port 81, TCP, and then description, you can do anything, rick server. And then you're going to want to enable it, but I already have mine set up, so I don't need it. So I can hit cancel, you're going to want to hit save. Now it's going to be different for every router, but it's going to be something along those lines. So you can exit out of your router page. Then you're going to want to find your IP address. So for that, I'd recommend going to IP chicken. And then pasting the number that's right. Copying the number that's here. Pasting it into your browser. And putting a colon and then whatever your port you used. And there you go. You now have a rickroll. If you need help, you can just email me, fingerbirdy@gmail.com, and yeah, I will reply. Thanks, and bye.